Stop overpacking your school bag. You only need these 3 pouches to survive. Point 1. Backpack, the brain. This is your brain. Notebooks and extra paper for class. Textbook and iPad for studying. Calculator for emergencies. Water bottle because hydration equals brain power. Earbuds so you can romanticize your walk home. Point 2. Pencil case, the tools. Your tools. Pens and pencils for notes. Highlighters for key points only. Don't highlight everything. Sticky notes and ruler for clean, aesthetic pages. Glue and scissors because teachers love random projects. Point 3. Emergency kit, the lifesaver. This pouch saves your day. Pads and painkillers for surprises. Tissues and hand sanitizer because germs exist. Hair ties and lip balm for quick glow-ups. Gum for confidence. Deodorant because you're not a monster. That's it. 3 pouches. Zero panic. Pack smart, not heavy. Comment your must-have item. Follow for more school glow-ups.